Hello students, welcome to our maths period. Today we'll start our next topic of money, that is multiplication and division of money. In that the example is given, Ravi and his friends bought 3 juice packs. Each costs 24 rupees 75 paise. How much was the total cost? So Ravi and his friend together bought 3 pack of juice and one pack cost is rupees 24 and 75 paise. So what is the price of 3 packs of juice that we have to find? So you can see here in the picture a juice, 3 packs of juice, and each cost is rupees 24.75 or 24 rupees 75 paise. So for this we'll do multiplication. So for that we'll arrange the given in columns, that is rupees and paise. So 24 rupees 75 paise multiplied by 3. So starting from ones column we'll start multiplication. 3 5s are 15, so 5 and carry over 1 to its next. 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 1 is 22, so 22, so 2 is in answer place and 2 is carry over to its next. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14, so 4 is in answer place and 1 is carry over to its next. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So what is our answer here? 74 rupees 25 paise. So what is the cost of 3 pack of juice? So therefore the total cost was 74 rupees 25 paise. In this way we can solve the sum of multiplication. The next is given question number 2. A box has 5 chocolates. The cost of box is 81 rupees 25 paise. What is the price of one chocolate? So one box have 5 chocolates and what is the cost of box? 81 rupees 25 paise. So what they ask, the cost of one chocolate. So for that we'll do division. As many chocolates are given and they are asking for one, that time we'll do always division. So for that, total price of chocolate box is rupees 81 rupees 25 paise, and now we'll arrange that sum in the division. So division sign and 81 rupees 25 paise. So for that we'll avoid the dot between two numbers. Here we have taken the dot, but while dividing we'll avoid the dot. So 81 rupees 25 paise, but here we'll not put dot, and that we have to divide with 5 because each box have 5 chocolates, so divide by 5. Now we'll divide one digit at a time. So first digit is here 8. Now we have to find 8 in 5's table. So as 8 doesn't come in 5's table, so we'll write small value, we'll take small number than 8. So which is the smaller than 8? 5 ones are 5. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Now we'll bring down next number, that is the number is become 31. Now we'll find 31 in 5's table, but as we know 31 doesn't come in 5's table. So which is the smaller number that comes in 5's table instead of 31? That is 30. At which place? 6th place. So 5 6 are 30. So we'll do again subtraction. So answer is here 31 minus 30 is 1. Now we'll again bring down its next number, that is 2. So here number is become 12. So now find the 12 in 5's table. As you know 12 doesn't come, so we'll take smaller number, that is 10. So at which place? 5 2s are 10. So 12 minus 10 is 2. Now time to bring down the next number, that is 5. So number is become here 25. Now we'll find 25 in 5's table. So 5, how many is a 25? 5 5s are 25. So 5 5s are 25. Again we'll do subtraction. So 25 minus 25 is here 0. So what is our answer here? 1625. But as there are decimal point after 2 numbers. So after ones and tens there is a point. So in answer is also will place a point after ones and tens place. So ones, tens, and now we'll put a point. Now the number is become 16 rupees 25 paise. So we'll write the answer in words as, so the price of one chocolate is 16 rupees 25 paise. This is how we can solve the sum. Now with this we'll start our exercise 3.3. Multiply 22 rupees 70 paise multiplied by 4. Starting with ones column. 4 zeros are 0. 4 sevens are 28, right? So 8 in answer place and 2 is carry over to its next. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 will write 0 in answer place and 1 carry over to its next. 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So answer is here 90 rupees 80 paise. Now next is 32 rupees 55 paise multiplied by 3. So starting from ones column, 3 fives are 15. So 5 in answer place and 1 carry over to its next. Now 3 fives are again 15. 15 plus 1 carry over is 16. So 6 in answer place and 1 carry over to its next. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 3 threes are 9. So what is the answer here? 97 rupees 65 paise. This is how you can solve the sum of multiplication. I hope you can do the C and D sum. Now next is division. In that the first is given 238 rupees 24 paise by 4. So first we'll arrange in the division. So rupees will take first 238 rupees 24 paise. First we'll avoid putting dot between numbers. So we'll not put a dot between numbers while dividing. In answer we'll put the dot. So 4. So we'll go for one digit at a time. But you can see here 2 is the first digit. So 2 doesn't come, so we'll take 2 digit at a time. So now 2 digit is become 23. So first 23 we have to find in 4's table. So for how many is a 23? So if you go through the table you will find out 23 doesn't come in 4's table. So which smaller number comes in 4's table which is smaller than 23? That is 20. So at which place we got 20? 4 5s are 20. So 4 5s are 20. Now we'll do subtraction. So we'll put minus sign. So 23 minus 20 is what? 3. We'll do forward counting after 20 up to 23. So 3. Now we'll bring down next number, that is 8. So number is become here 38. Now find out 38 in 4's table. So if you go through the table you will notice that 38 doesn't come in 4's table. So which smaller number will take? That is 36. So at which place we got 36? 4 9s are 36. Again subtraction. We'll do forward counting after 36 up to 38. 36, 37, 38. That is 2. So 2 is our answer. Now we'll bring down its next number. After 8, that is 2 here. So number is become 22. So we have to find 22 in 4's table. But 22 doesn't come, right? So which smaller number will take? That is 20. 4 how many is a 20? 4 5s are 20. Again 22 minus 20 is 2. Now bring down its next number, that is 4. So number is become here 24. So 4 how many is a 24? 4 6 are 24, right? So what is the answer here? 24 minus 24 is 0, right? So what is our answer? So before writing answer we have to put the dot after ones and tens place here. So in answer also we'll put dot after ones and tens place. So ones, tens and put a dot. So what is our answer here? 59 rupees 56 paise. This is our answer. Now I hope you can do B, C and D sum. Now next is question number 3. A packet of milk cost rupees 56.50 paise what is the cost of six such packets? So a packet of milk cost is given, that is 56 rupees 50 paise, and the cost of six such packets are asked here. So one thing that you have to keep in your mind is, when the price of one is given and you have to ask many, that time you always do multiplication. When the cost of one thing is given and many have asked, so that time you will do multiplication here. So here one cost of one packet is given, one milk packet is given, and here they have asked here six such packets. So what you will do? Multiplication. So cost of one packet is equal to rupees 56.50. So cost of six packets is equal to question mark, as that we have to find. So you will do multiplication. 56.50 multiplied by 6. So 6 starting from ones column, 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30. So 30, 0 you will write in answer place, 3 is the carry over to its next. 6 6 are 36, 36 plus 3 is 39. So 9 is in our answer place and 3 is carry over to next. 6 5s are again 30. So 30 plus 3 is 33. And now put a dot after two numbers, as two numbers are given, ones tens after dot. So in answer also we'll put dot, ones tens dot. So what is our answer here? 339 rupees 0 paise. So therefore we'll write answer in words as cost of six milk packet is equal to 339 rupees 00 paise. In this way we can find it out. Question number 4 is given here. The cost of 7 handmade wooden dolls is rupees 1578.50 paise. What is the cost of one wooden doll? So now here many given, means many things cost is given and you have to find cost of one. That time you will do division. If one is given and many asked, that time you will do multiplication, and many things are given and one you have to solve, or one you have to find, that time you will do division. Here we have to find the cost of one doll, so here we'll do division. So first we'll write cost of dolls is equal to rupees 1578.50, and how many dolls are there? Number of dolls is equal to 7. So what you will do? You will divide it. So 1578.50, but in division you will avoid to put a dot. Don't put a dot. In answer you will put a dot. So 7. Now you will find it out. So we'll take 2 digit at a time. First we'll take 2 digit. 15 is there, so we have to find 15 in 7's table, but 15 doesn't come in 7's table. So which smaller number we'll take? That is 14. So 7 2s are 14, minus 15 minus 14 is 1. Forward counting will use 1. Now we'll bring down next number. The number is become 17. So again 17 doesn't come. Which smaller number will use here? Again 14. So 7 2s are again 14. 17 minus 14 is how many? 3. Forward counting will use. Again bring down its next number. So number is become here 38. So 38 we have to find in 7's table. But if you go through the table, 38 doesn't come. So which smaller number will take? That is 35. So 7 5s are 35. 38 minus 35 is 3. Now bring down its next number, that is 5. So 7, how many are 35? 7 5s are 35. So 35 minus 35 is 0. And now bring down its next number. So that is 0 only. At which place we got 0 comes in 7's table. So before 7 1s are 7, 7 zeroth places come. So 7 zeros are 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So what is our answer here? 225. Now time to place a dot. Here ones and tens after dot is there. So in answer also we'll use that ones and tens. Now we'll put a dot. So what is our answer here? 225 rupees 50 paise. So we'll write the answer in words as therefore cost of one wooden doll is rupees 225.50 paise. Now next is 4 people go to watch the magic show. Cost of one ticket is 245 rupees 50 paise. How much do they have to pay for the tickets? So the cost of one ticket is given and you have to find 4. So what you will do here, as one thing is given and you have to find out many, that time you will do multiplication. And I hope you can solve this. Next is what? Anu bought 9 pens for rupees 76.50 paise. How much does 1 pen cost? And here the cost of 9 pens means many pens cost is given and you have to find here cost of 1 pen. That time you will do division. Remember this thing, when one thing is given and you have to find many, that time you will do multiplication. And when the many things cost is given and you have to find the cost of one thing, that time you will do division. I hope you can try this sum.